So hey, what's up everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we have created partitions without windows. uh, Basically there are multiple partitions apps which is required license key, and some apps are license key but it doesn't work. So here we are provide AIMOU partition software which with a license key. So make sure all steps you should be clearly watch. And so here I have already done the partitions in my system. So here I have take a little 500 MBs for partitioning. Just for you guys, all steps are gonna do that. So watch every step carefully. Now there will be required a license key. So here there the license key available. So you just copy that and paste here. So it doesn't work. The main reason, the internet connection. I have connected my PC with internet. So first I have disabled the internet connection. So you can see I have disabled the internet connection. Now it will be work correctly successfully. Now go into partitions. Now click OK. So it will take a little bit time. Now going to the top, apply. Now that all steps gonna be done. If you have increased the partition size, it will be take more time. I have only for testing less memory size, so it will be work faster. Now you can see it will be almost done. Now more partition will be successfully done, and you can check out the partition or done successfully. So you guys, you will be download the app with license key. So I have provided you a link in description. So thank you for watching and see you another video. Thanks.